Hello. The purpose of this video is to show you how to join a Zoom meeting from your Google Calendar. Now you can join a Zoom meeting for your class through Aries and also through your Google Classroom, but the best way and easiest way is probably going to be through your Google Calendar, because when you join a class, your teacher will send you an invite in your Google Calendar. All you have to do is accept it and you can join. And the date and time of your class through your different classes is going to be in your Google Calendar. So when it's time for class, you'll just simply go to your Google Calendar, you'll click the time where you're at, and you'll find the invite. And as you can see here, it has a ton of information. When you click on it, there's two places that you need to go. One, the Zoom link here, or this one here. And basically you're going to join the Zoom meeting. Now, it's important to remember that you may need a passcode in order to join your class, and that's going to be found right there in the invite. So once I click this link to join the meeting, there's going to be another screen that pops up. We want to click the one that says Open Zoom Meetings, because this is going to open up the app. And now guess what? We need that password. So we're going to go back to the other calendar here, and we're going to look at that passcode. I'm going to type it into the box. And then once we have the right passcode, we're going to click Join Meeting. Now, it's going to ask us if we want to join with our video. We want to click that button. And another screen is going to pop up that says our teacher is going to let us into the meeting. As soon as they let us into the meeting, we will get another box that says Join with Computer Audio. We're going to click that so that we can utilize our microphones when necessary, and then we're going to maximize our screen so that we can see everyone that's in the meeting.